Next, we'll move on to 26th question. So 26th question is related to the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So already one question is related on heritage site. What is that question? Previously we got, I think it is about Bhimbeta, 8th question. So Bhimbeta is about the World Heritage Site. It was also a heritage site, and this is also World Heritage Site Victoria Memorial Hall. This Victoria Memorial Hall is located in Kolkata. Where Bhimbeta is in Madhya Pradesh. It is famous for rock caves. And here, this World Heritage Site Victoria Memorial Hall is in Kolkata. The next question. The value of secant square theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta minus tan square theta. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is one of the identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 are the three identities in trigonometry. So this is one of these identities. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So in the place of secant square minus tan square, I am writing 1 here. Plus 2 tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta can also be written as 1 by tan theta, because cot theta and tan theta both are reciprocals to each other. 1 by tan theta is cot theta, or 1 by cot theta is tan theta. Tan gets cancelled. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is the answer. Option D is correct here. The next question is, who is called as Bismarck of India? So who is Bismarck? First we should know about Bismarck. Bismarck played a vital role in the unification of Germany. So for the unification of Germany, he played a vital role. We know this. Similarly, in United India, who played a vital role here? Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, played a vital role in United India. He was also the Home Minister of India at that time. Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister. So this man played a vital role in the United India. So he is called as Bismarck of India. Then 29th one. If 9 women can complete a work in 50 days. 9 women can complete a work in 50 days. In how many less days the work be completed if 6 more women are added? So 6 more women. In addition to 9, 6 more women are added. Let us take 6 more. 9 plus 6. 15 women are added. So in how many days we need to find out how many days. So 15 women can do it in how many days? Let us find out. 9 women can complete in 50 days. Now additionally 6 more women are added. So 9 plus 6, 15. So 15 women can complete this work in 3 3s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 10s are. So this will be 30 days. So 15 women can complete a work in 30 days, but the regular work can be completed in 50 days. Actual work is 50 days. Due to additional 6 members, it is completed in 30 days. Now what is the question asked? In how many days, in how many less days the work will be completed if 6 more men are added? So how many less days means? Actually the work is completed in 50 days, but due to addition of 6 more women, the work is completed in 30 days. So the difference in days is 20 days. In 20 less days only, the work will be completed if 6 more women are added. So 20 less days. Option B is the correct answer. Very simple. Try to understand this. 9 women can complete in 50 days. 6 more women were added. That means 15 women can complete in 30 days. Actual number of days is 50. Now due to increase of 6 more women, the work is completed in 30 days. So the difference in days is 20. 20 days less days are required to complete the work if 6 more women are added. Next, 30th question. This is pair of linear equations. We have to solve these equations and find the value of x and y. Otherwise, we can substitute these values here and check whether these two values are exact values of x and y or not. First, let us check with these two values. Or you can check b and d, both are same. A and c both are same, only plus and minus change. Let us check first 6 and 2. In the place of x, I am substituting 6. 4 6 are 24. 5 2s are 10. 24 plus 10 is 34. So this is wrong. I substituted 6 here. 4 6 are 24. And y value is 2. 5 2s are 10. Total is 34. But total is 14 here. So this option is wrong. Next, go to here. 6 and minus 2. 4 6 are 24. Minus 5 2s are 10. It is 14. So the first equation is correct. Let us check the second one also. 6 and minus 2. Substituting 6 here. 5 into y value is minus 2. 6 plus 5 2s are 10, which is equal to 16. This is also correct. So the fourth option is the correct option, because when we take x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2, these two equations are satisfied. So the solution of these two linear pair of equations is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. So by substituting these values in the given question, we can easily find out which option is correct. Next, 31st question is, you have 20 big and 16 small diaries and want to make gift packs containing both in each pack. What is the maximum number of gift packs can be made with 20 big and 16 small diaries? Maximum means maximum, highest. So we need to find out highest common factor of 20 and 16. So with which table 20 and 16 will go? What is the maximum table with which 20 and 16 will be divided? With 5 table it won't go. With 4 table, 4 5 is 20, 4 4 16. So the option B is the right answer. 4 5 is 20, 4 4 16. With 3 table it won't go. It goes with 2 table, but we need the maximum number. 2 and 4 are correct, but the biggest one is 4. Next one. Mars Orbiter Mission Mangal was launched in the year 2013. So this mission is a prestigious mission. It was launched to study Mars. Like a planet Earth, can we live on Mars or not, is discovered here. So in 2013, MOM was launched for this purpose. The next question is, which of the following is false? Which among these is a false statement? Mangroves are a forest, we know that. Mangroves, forest is famous. Mangroves maintain biodiversity, yes. Mangroves maintain our biodiversity. Mangroves provide mangoes, no. Mango trees are not present in mangroves. There are shrubs and plants present in mangroves. So this is wrong statement. Mangroves prevent flooding, yes. Mangroves are being destroyed due to urbanization. So all these are correct, and this one is wrong. Directly we can see mangroves provide mangoes is a wrong statement. They don't provide mangoes. Mango trees are not there. The next one is, if P means division, Q means addition, R means subtraction, and S means multiplication, we need to find out the value of this one by using BODMAS rule. 10. What is the meaning of R? R means minus. 10 minus 192. P means division, divided by 48. S means into 48. P divided by 96. Q means addition, plus 1. So P is division. P division here, division here. What is BODMAS rule? Bracket of, first we need to do division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. First we have to do division according to BODMAS rule. Where you find division first? Here one division is there. And here also we find division. So first we have to do division only. 48 table 192. 192 by 48. 192 divided by 48. 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 8 6s are 6 1s are 6 4s are. So 48 4s are 192. What we get here? 10 minus 48 4s are 4 into 48 divided by 96. 48 divided by 96 is 48 1s are 48 2s are 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 1s are 2 2s are 10 minus 2 plus 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So second option is correct. B 9. Look at 35th one. L is to M is given as 3 is to 5. M is to N is given as 2 is to 3. Let us multiply first these two. Multiply like N. L into M, LM. M into M, M into M is to M into N, Mn is equal to, we are multiplying like this, L into M, M into M, M into N, like N. L into M, these two, and the cross M into M and M into N. Why we are multiplying this means M gets cancelled. We get L is to M is to N. So multiply in this way, like N. L into M, that means 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. Next, 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10. 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. So we get L is to M is to N. L is to M is to N is equal to 6 is to 10 is to 15. What we need to find out? N is to L. N is to L. How much is N here? L, M, N values. N is 15 is to L is 6. Now you cancel this. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. The final answer is 5 is to 2. Option B is the right answer. 5 is to 2. Next question is from arithmetic. 10 dozen apples, 15 dozen mangoes and 20 dozen oranges are bought to sell. Out of these, 1 by 2, half. What is half of 10 dozen? 5 dozen. 1 by third of 15. 3 1s are 3 5s are. Here 5 dozen. 1 by fourth of 20. 4 1s are 4 5s are. 5 dozen. So 15 dozen are sold. So 15 dozen are sold. They are sold out. Then how many are remaining? How many total? 10 plus 15, 25 plus 20, 20, 30, 45 dozens are there totally. Out of 45 dozens, 15 dozens are sold out. How many are remaining? 30 dozen are remaining. Out of 45 dozen, 15 dozen are sold out totally. So 30 dozen are remaining. 1 dozen is equal to 12. Totally remaining are 360. The remaining things to be sold out are 360 items. Next one. When the body temperature falls by about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit below the body temperature, the condition is known as. So what is the condition known as? If the body temperature falls by 2 to 3 degrees down. Generally, we call it as fever, but fever is through bacteria or any other infection. The temperature falls below or above is called as, sometimes called as fever if it is bacterial infection. Now, what is second option? Hypothermia. Hyper. Hyper means more. Hypo, less. So, thermia means temperature. Therma, temperature. Hyper is more and hypo is less temperature. So, decrease in temperature and increase in temperature. These two are opposite to each other. About 2 to 3 degrees below body temperature means decrease. So, that decrease is called as hypothermia. Decrease in temperature by 2 to 3 degrees is called as hypothermia. And increase in temperature is called as hyperthermia. Whereas fever means a condition which bacterial infections comes, then the body temperature decreases. That is called as fever. Next, find the similarity among the following: vulture, kite, bat and owl. All these, vulture, kite, bat and owl, they are all birds flying at night. But kite and vulture will fly in the morning times also. So this is wrong. Next option is they are mammals. They are all are not mammals here. Bat is a mammal. Owl is not a mammal. So these are not mammals. All these can fly. Yes, all these birds can fly. So third option is right here. Find the similarity means these all three can 1, 2, 3, 4. All these can fly, but not at night time. They can fly at any time. So third option is the correct answer. Full form of BIOS. BIOS, I think you know what is BIOS. BIOS is an operating system. OS, operating system. So you have operating system here in first option itself. Only BIOS is an operating system. Binary interchange operating system. The next one is, which of the following is not generally a cause of cancer? What are the causes of cancer? Our lifestyle, what we eat, environmental factors is a cause, pollution, genetic mutation, yes, genetic amendment, yes, transmission is wrong. So the answer is transmission. Cancer cannot come from one person to other person through transmission. So it is not through transmission. It can be from all these factors, but not through transmission from one person to another person. Next question number 41 is related to Venn diagrams here. Reasoning. This triangle represents tennis players. In the triangle there are tennis players. Rectangle represents hockey players. And circle represents chess players. Now look at question number 41. The number of non-chess players. Where are chess players? In circle. So non-chess players means they are not in circle at all. Non-chess players is how much more than players who play both chess and tennis. So I have to play first non-chess players. Non-chess means which are not in circle. The other numbers which are not in circle. So what are the numbers that are not in circle first? 5, which are not in circle. 5, 20, 5. So these numbers are not in circle. All these are in circle. The remaining is 5, 5, 20, 5. 10, 15, 35. So non-chess players total 35. The next one, who play both chess and tennis? Chess and tennis both. Chess, tennis. The numbers which are both in circle and triangle. Both in circle and triangle. So circle and triangle, this is circle and this is triangle. In between both 10, 10, 11, 14. Only these three numbers are in both circle and also in triangle. 11, 10, 14. 11, 10, 14. Total is 35. Both are same. So the option is same. Option C is right. Both are same. Non-chess players 35 and both chess and tennis players 35. Next. The number of tennis players who are not hockey players. Number of tennis players in triangle. The number is in triangle and not hockey players, but not in rectangle. It should be in triangle but not in rectangle. So let us check what are in triangle. Triangle and rectangle. You remove this one. Which is in triangle and rectangle. So it should be in triangle but not in rectangle means you have to remove the rectangular part. Take only triangular part. 11, 5, 14, 5. 11, 5, 14, 5. Only triangular part but not rectangular part. Rectangular part contains only 10, which is in triangular part. 11, 5, 14, 5. 10, 20, 30, 34, 35. Total is 35. Option D. Look at next question. The ratio of hockey players to chess players. How many hockey players are there? That means rectangle. We have to count total rectangle. In rectangle, 5, 3, 8 plus 2, 10, 20, 40 plus 15, 55. So total number of hockey players is 55. To the chess players ratio. Chess players. Who are chess players here? Who are in circle. So you have to count total circular players. In circle. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12, 17. 31, 37, 42, 52, 62, 65, 75, 79, 80, 90. So totally 90 in circle. Chess players 90 and hockey players 55. We have to find out the ratio here. 5 11s are 5 18s are. So the answer is 11 is to 18 or 11 by 18. Option C. Next, look at this series. This is in the form of A, B, C. A, B, C. Next, E, F, G. Like this. A, B, C, E, F, G. Next, what will come? So, A, B, C is here. D is not there. Next one. D is not here. Next, E, F, G. Next, H will be missing. Then we get I, J, K. I, J, K. So where is J, K, I? Option 4. I think you understood. A, B, C, E, F, G. D is missing here. Here H will be missing. Then I, J, K. After K, L will be missing. M, N, O. The same series. Next, for next question, we have to apply BODMAS rule and also change the symbols here, signs. Plus is replaced by division, minus is replaced by addition like that. 17, 7, 27, 3, 79. First symbol is minus here. Minus means plus. Second one division. Division means into. Next is plus. Plus means division. The last symbol is into. Into means minus. Now we have to calculate this. First we have to do division only. According to BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. First we have to do division only. Division. 17 plus 7 into 3 9s are 27 minus 79. 17 plus 7 9s are 63 minus 79. 63, 70, 80. 80 minus 79 is 1. So option C is right. The next question is from trigonometry. 46th one. The value of tan minus 405 degrees. Minus theta. Minus theta comes in the fourth quadrant. Tan of minus theta becomes minus tan theta. Minus tan 405 degrees. All silver teacups. Tan and cot will be positive in the third quadrant. The fourth quadrant tan is negative. So minus tan 405. 405 can be written as 360 plus 45 minus 360 plus theta comes to first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. All trigonometric values are positive. So tan 360 plus theta is tan theta. Tan theta means 45 minus tan 45 is minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. All silver tea cups. All are positive here. Here sine and cosecant are positive. Tan and cot positive. Here cups. Cos and secant are positive. So this is minus tan 360 plus theta is tan theta. Tan 45 is 1. The next question. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? What is the meaning of greenhouse gas? So which affects environment? So which of the following does not affect environment here? So which one does not affect environment? Ozone, it affects environment. Nitrous oxide is a poisonous gas. Water vapor also affects environment. Only hydrogen is not affected. Hydrogen is not affecting our environment. So hydrogen is the answer. The code name of India-Pakistan Kargil war. So during the Kargil war, They put a code for this war, India-Pakistan Kargil war. What is the code among this? Operation Blue Star, Operation Vijay, Operation Virat, Operation Kargil. So Operation Kargil is not correct because the war is Kargil. They have not put the name of that war as Kargil. So the answer for this is, they kept the name Operation Vijay. Vijay means success. Operation Vijay is the name of the code they used during India-Pakistan Kargil war. The next question is, in a certain language, plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate is coded as C-Y-N-G-R. 16, 12, 1, 25. These are the numbers for these letters. P16, L 12th letter, A first letter, like that. So here C 3, 25, 14, 7, 18. So what is happening here? 16, 3, 12, 25. 12 to 25 plus 13. 1 to 14 plus 13. 16 plus 13. 16 plus 13 is 29. Total alphabet are 26 only. So the answer is 3 here. So everywhere you see plus 13 plus 13. First letter is also plus 13. Second letter coding is plus 13. Third plus 13, like that. So for shock, S-H-O-C-K. S is 19, H 8, O 15, C 3, K 11. Now adding plus 13 for each and every one here. Plus 13. 19 plus 13 is 32. How many letters are there totally? 26. 32 minus 26 is 6. Sixth letter, F. So it starts with F. So this one is wrong. Only two are there. F, F. Now see the second one. Second one here is 8. 8 plus 13. 21. 21st letter. 21st letter is U. So second option is the right answer. F, U, P, P, X. Because adding plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 we get this code for shock. Then the next 50th one. Which of the following does computing in a personal computer? In our personal computer, which of these does calculations, computing purpose? We already know CPU has memory unit, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit. So this one calculates, all the calculations are done in arithmetic and logical unit. So arithmetic is calculation part. So calculation part totally is done in arithmetic and logic unit. Storage is in memory unit, and this is a control unit. All these are in CPU. So whatever the computing process is going on, that will be in CPU only, not on motherboard or RAM or BIOS. BIOS is operating system. So RAM, it increases our performance of the system, speed.